Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the FX forecaster indicator for MT4. This version plots a histogram in a separate sub-window that oscillates around the central zero line, giving you a clear visual read on bullish and bearish momentum based on EMA and MACD style logic. At this point I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so you see how it looks on your chart. The FX forecaster appears in its own sub-window as vertical histogram bars moving roughly between, in this case, 1.5 and minus 1.2 at the bottom. So we have 1.5 at the top and minus 1.2 at the bottom, with a horizontal zero line, as you can see over here, running through the middle. Bars above zero reflect bullish pressure. The higher they extend towards the upper boundary, the stronger the positive momentum. Bars below zero reflect bearish pressure, and deeper pushes towards the lower boundary show increasing downside momentum. When the histogram shrinks back towards zero after a strong run, it visually suggests that the current move may be losing strength and that conditions might be shifting. As for the indicator settings, the fast EMA and slow EMA inputs define the fast and slow exponential moving averages used in internal calculation, directly shaping how quickly the histogram reacts to new price action. The signal parameter sets the smoothing applied to the MACD style difference between those EMAs, which affects how smooth or choppy the histogram looks. Display alerts controls whether the indicator triggers alerts when key conditions are met, such as crosses through the zero line or specific momentum thresholds. Period defines the base look-back length for the calculation, and TypeMA lets you choose the moving average type, for example EMA, or another MA variant used in the underlying maths. So who is this indicator for? The FX forecaster indicator is suited to traders who want a clean oscillator style view of momentum and direction built from fast and slow EMA relationships. It still relies on historical prices and smoothed averages, so it can lag at turning points, produce false shifts around news, and should always be combined with price action, support and resistance, and strict risk management rules rather than used as a standalone forecasting system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the FX forecaster indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.